Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Florida, Florida. Alright. Look at that beautiful weather. Oh, we got here company. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final. Guys, in case you're new in my store, you know what's up. I take everything apart, take out muffler and everything like that. I can show you the best I can, like that I can be honest with you guys, the same way you can be honest with me when you receive the machine. We don't play games here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, girl. Oh, you can see a little bit on the left. Just a little, maybe scratch or maybe dirty, can be oil, I don't know, but don't trust me. I'm a salesperson. But I see something there on the left. I don't know what it is. Here I'm gonna take good pictures with a flash so that we can catch the inside. It will be better, okay? Don't worry about it. Alright. I'm gonna give it a shot. It's the first machine, guys. I'm planning to do 8 today. I just run 4 and something, almost 5 miles. I can feel my body today. Yeah, I know. Roberto, what happened? Your feet got better. Yep. My knee got better, guys. Let's put this down because I don't know why it's not going down much. See? You can see me there? Oh, God. Trying to do whatever they want. Let me see if the other way. Okay, I see. Better if I turn it around the other way. We got it there, guys. Sorry about the mess. I'm getting better. Let me put this baby up. There. Come on, Robert, hurry up. Okay. I'm going. Like that. Alright, this is a spot plug. They came with it. It looks good, I like it. But you know me, I like to bring out somehow I'm not finding the doctor. I think I left it in one of the machines. Guy, if you receive my doctor, I got it here. I thought the doctor went okay. You see, this is the first one, this is the doctor. Remember, 700 and something machines. Remember, you still can do the whole trick. If it's a big machine, you can go here a little bit only, and that will help you in my case for what I'm doing. But if you have a big machine that you're having problem to start, you just throw a little gas there and will help them. Of course, you gotta throw there and throw here. And that will help you instead of you burn your hand or break the handle, recoil, pulling and pulling and pulling. You see what I did there? Let me double check that we're good in here. We'll move a little over here. We're good there. You see what I do? I'm gonna set it right here. I'm gonna let a little bit also inside. Not that much, guys. I see you like to put a lot. Be careful. Make sure it's on. We're gonna give you the test to see where we are. Alright, that tells me already she has a good compressor. Good. I like it. Wee. Easy, girl, easy. People are looking. You have it here, guys. It looks like I have to put it like that. Well, it's good. Side down, side up. Makes no difference. Remember, guys, I sell full parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged. It's broken. For parts. Thank you, guys. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Ahí viene ya de nuevo el agua aquí en Florida. Ya saben. De nuevo otro día bellos más. Gracias a la vida y al agua. Bueno, mi gente, aquí no hay mucho que hablar. Ya vieron que la ladera funciona. Está bien, luce bien el clutch. Lo que es la bobina funciona. Y lo que es la mariposa funciona. Ya vieron que quiso para arrancar. Acuérdense que esto es una CS-370. Yo vendo para partes. Si usted está tratando de arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un gran error. ¿Por qué? Porque está rota. está hecho leña, está en pedazos. ¿Ya entendieron? Sí, porque hay gente que uno lo explica y todavía no entienden. Yo vendo para partes. Gracias mi gente, bonito día y felicidades.